Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. We're getting our daily chores done, the morning chores, getting cows fed, cows watered. The cows are hopefully going to be getting moved here really soon to some pasture, which we're excited about. I believe we're getting together with a couple of buddies on Saturday. We're going to fence a pasture and combine our cow herds together. They've got a few. I've got a few. We're going to put them out on pasture and run them, which is nice. No more feeding them up here, because they are in the way and it is time to fly. The road restrictions are lifted and we have got stuff to do. But in today's video, that is not what we're doing. In today's video, we are doing some wiring to our meter box. So as you guys have seen in a past video, we ran all of our conduit up this hill into our transformer box here. We've got our stub up at our transformer box. Now we need to create a stub from our transformer box to our meter. We've got our meter pedestal just sitting here. It is not installed just yet. And then what we have to do is we've got to bring power from there up into here, and then power will run from here down into the house. But we've got some things to do. Obviously, this deck of logs right here has to move, and then of course we've got to build the place. So we've got a lot of trenching to do, but I don't have this conduit set up for here, so we are going to go to town really quick and buy the conduit that I need, and then we'll come back and I'll show you guys installing that, and then how we need to have it installed here in our state of Idaho. The best part of today's video is I will be leaving Deegan here to do all of the digging, so I don't have to do any of it at all. He will be trenching about a 7-foot trench, 3 feet deep, or a little over 3 feet deep, 3 foot minimum, but we're aiming for 3 feet deep to there. So 7-foot trench, 3 foot deep. He's going to have about an hour to do it. I'm sure he'll have it done in time. You guys want to see how to DIY your own meter box and save yourself thousands of dollars? Stick around, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button on this video, and feel free to share it with some of your DIY friends, guys. We are going to save you thousands of dollars showing you how to do a lot of this stuff yourself. Most of this stuff in our state anyway, you can do on your own. You don't have to pay professionals. You just have to follow the guidelines. Some of the stuff you just don't have the equipment to do, like the well. The well cost us a big chunk of money. All of this stuff gonna save us big chunks of money. Okay, so we've got our conduit buried 3 feet. So we're down 3 feet, that's per code. We backfilled some with dirt, and so now what we're doing is putting this caution tape in. This is also a requirement. And even though we're only going 7 feet, it's the code, it's the requirement, so we're putting it in. More than likely, no one's ever gonna dig in between the power box and the meter box, but we're putting it in there as a warning anyway. So this will lay at 18 inches. That way, if you get to digging, you hit this and it tells you, hey, don't dig any deeper. All right, guys, so we've got our meter in place, so now we're going to embed it. And instead of using concrete, we actually saw this foam product. We're going to try it. It was for putting mailboxes up, but we're going to try it on this. It should hold it into place, and I don't believe this is too much foam that it's going to fill it all completely, so it'll allow us to bed it with dirt on top as well. Okay, so as that's starting to foam up, Deegan is leveling it, plumbing it. We're just watching that foam expand, doing its thing. I think it's about 3 to 5 minutes until this stuff is fully hot. We'll sit here and hold it for 3 to 5 minutes, and we'll come back and show you guys what it did and how far it expanded. All right, there it is, guys. That's pretty much max expansion right there. So it came up quite a bit of the hole. You could probably use 2 bags of this stuff for what's going to be roughly about a 3-foot hole, 2 feet across. So we probably should have grabbed another bag of this. I might throw concrete on top of this just for funsies. We'll pack it in a little bit and then see how solid it feels, and then decide if we're going to throw concrete in there on top of that, or enough dirt packing will do.